Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the name of your private share communication on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Now in here, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Next, we go down and tap on private share. Then tap on your communication box or the message and then open it. Next, tap on the more button at the top. Then tap on edit name from the pop-up. In here, you can delete the old name and we will put in a new name. So, for example, I'm going to change it to, say, Bali Holidays. And then tap on done. So we tap on done. And that's it. So that is how you can rename your private share communication message. And then after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.